You, what's your name? Hal?
I don't think that counts.
Inch tall! Is on you! Yeah, I deserve that.
What are you doing? Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Here we go. Because I didn't fight back, that means I secretly care about you? I'm just a misunderstood little chicken fetus in an egg that needs to be cracked open. Well, I am not. I do not care about you or anyone else in this circus in the slightest. End of story. You are my playthings, and I get joy out of making you suffer. I'm the one who causes pain for fun. If I led you on, it was just to make this part hurt you more. There's nothing more to me. So please, just stop looking.
Is sort of terrifying.
But what's an award show without honorable mentions in subcategories? That's right, it's bad! Unlike my show, which is good.
God.